Today we are going to start a new chapter for class 10, that is polynomials. We have already studied in class 9 what is a polynomial. So polynomial is an expression which has got a variable and a constant, and not always a constant. It has a variable. Let 4x plus 2 be an expression which is called a polynomial of variable x and denoted by p of x. Then p of x is equal to 4x plus 2 when x is the variable. 4x plus 2 when x is a variable. Now polynomial py is 4y cube 9 by 2y plus 3. It is also a polynomial. But its variable is y. Then we write it is a polynomial py. Is 2 can be written as is a polynomial? 2 is a polynomial? We say yes, it is a polynomial because I can write 2 into any variable raised to the power 0. 2 into any variable raised to the power 0, that is 2x raised to the power 0. This is also a polynomial. Any constant is a polynomial. So we write, now we say, we find out the degree of a polynomial. Degree of a polynomial, suppose px is equal to 4x plus 2. Which is the variable here? Variable is x. The degree of the polynomial is the highest power of the variable. Highest power of the variable. Here highest power is only 1. So degree is 1. Degree is 1. Again, py is equal to 8 y raised to the power 5 plus 6y. Here we have got degree 1 also, 5 also, which is maximum degree is 5. Here what is the degree of the polynomial? It is 5. Degree of 2. What is the degree of 2? 2 can be written as a polynomial. 2x raised to the power 0. That is degree of this polynomial. Degree is, how much is the degree? Degree is 0. The degree of the polynomial can be any integer, any natural number, a whole number also. Not natural exactly. It can be 0 also. When the degree is 2, we say it is a quadratic polynomial. Can you give me an example? That is 4x square 3x plus 5. It is a quadratic polynomial because its highest power degree is 2. Quadratic. We have done quadratic equation earlier also. Now, then next, p of y. It is a polynomial. Y cube plus 9y square minus 3y is a cubic polynomial. Why it is cubic polynomial? Because its degree is 3. So we say it is a cubic polynomial. Now the value of the polynomial px is equal to 2x square minus 8x plus 6 I have given you. And for x is equal to 2, what is the value of the polynomial? I have to substitute 2 for x. I have substituted here and I get minus 2. That is 2 into 2 square minus 8 into 2 plus of 6 is equal to minus 8. In general, this is the value of the polynomial. That means you substitute the value of the variable, you get the value of the polynomial. In general, we write a polynomial of degree 3, that px is equal to ax cube bx square plus cx plus d, where a, b, c, d are real numbers. and a not equal to 0. This is the point here. A not equal to 0. Why it is a not equal to 0? A not equal to 0 because when a is equal to 0, it doesn't remain a cubic polynomial. It becomes a quadratic polynomial. So a cannot be 0. But rest you can have b 0, c 0, d 0, anything you can have. Done. We go to 0 of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial. See, reading the title also we can understand. 0 of the polynomial means value of the value of the variable for which the polynomial becomes 0. Value of the variable for which the polynomial becomes 0. 2x is equal to 2x is a polynomial. What is the 0 of the polynomial? 0 of the polynomial will be 0. That is 2x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. So therefore 0 is the value of the x. 0 of the polynomials. First we will learn 0 of the polynomial of a linear polynomial. Linear polynomial means the degree of the polynomial is 1. Can you give me an example of degree of the polynomial is 1? I can. So I'll tell you that it is ax plus b is a polynomial whose degree is 1. Whose degree is 1. So x is equal to minus b by a from it, that is equal to constant terms minus constant term divided by coefficient of x. We can solve, that is, suppose here with the same theory we can immediately do it, because in ninth we are doing that. Let pk is k square plus 2k plus 1, which is the square of k plus 1 whole square. 0 of the polynomial will be 0. 0 of the polynomial will be 0. They have asked you find out the 0 of the polynomial. They have given you the polynomial pk is equal to k square plus 2k plus 1. That is equal to k plus 1 whole square. I take the square root of both the sides. Since it is 0, square root of 0 is 0 only, and it is k plus 1. So therefore k is equal to minus 1. Hence 0 is k is equal to minus 1. Then I give you exercise to do. Find the 0 of px is equal to 4x square minus 4x plus 1. It is also the square of 2x plus minus 1 whole square. And only you can say it is 4x, that is 2x minus 1 whole square. That therefore the 0 of the polynomial will be half. And this is x square minus 2x minus 8. I solve this with you because I can solve, that is x square minus 2x minus 8. That is equal to, I can write x square implies x square minus 4x plus of 2x, because 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. Middle term split किया हुआ है. We have done middle term splitting. Minus 8. That is equal to implies it is x common, then it is x minus 4 plus of 2 common, that is x minus 4 equal to 0. Equal to 0. So implies that is x minus 4 and x plus 2 is equal to 0. Implies 0 implies x is equal to 4 and minus 2.